just got myself a K1 Max to add to my Ender 5 S1 and my old Ender 5 Plus, which is a good old workhorse. I designed these replacement handles for the lid and the door. I believe they're the same fitting across all the K1 series. Personally, I like the round design rather than the standard one that comes with, and I made these so you could fit any colour disc in them. So you can either print the disc different colours or print the handles different colours, whatever suits you. I've gone with the black on grey with mine, but as I say, it's up to you, whatever colours you go with. It's just a standard fitting with a hex key or Allen key, whatever you call it. I'll be uploading these to all the normal places, and I'll put the links in the comments, and they'll be free to download and use. Discs just slot into the top. There's a small recess there, so it needs a slight bit of support for that, and just a dab of glue to hold them in place. If you like the video and like the design, please like and subscribe. It's always most appreciated, and thank you for watching.